Trying the most beautiful fruit ice creams. Let's start off with this beautiful grape one. Have a bite. It literally tastes like grape and it's so subtle. This is so good. Oh my gosh. I've never had the orange one. This is so cool. I love how they came out with new flavors. This is an 8 out of 10. This looks like it's about to fall off. Okay, but anyways, this is a key lime flavor. I've never had like a key lime ice cream before. Why does it kind of taste like cheese? I think I'm tripping. Hold up. I don't know. The key lime flavor is like severely lacking. Okay, apparently this is a peach flavored one, but it's supposed to be a mountain. Whoa. I don't really like this one. 3 out of 10. This is my favorite one, but I also really like the peach one and the mango one.